Grab app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, let's go ahead and open up our Play Store and here search for Grab application. If your app shows update just like mine, then you have to tap on to update and update your Grab app. Once you're done updating your app, head over to your settings, scroll below onto apps, and search for Grab. You tap onto your app and under App Info page, scroll below onto Storage. Here, clear the data. Make sure that you remember all your credentials first, then tap Delete. Now see if this fixes your problem. If you are still facing that issue, then long tap onto your Grab app and tap on Uninstall and tap on OK. Again, reinstall this same application and that shall fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.